Hello and welcome to class of LTE drive test. So today we are going to discuss about what are the tools that are required for drive test purpose. So let's start about with the tools that are required. First of all, we require a user equipment, and for LTE, so this should be LTE specific. LTE specific, that means minimum 2 antennas. We require a laptop, we require GPS, we require a software that can record the parameters. Battery and external antenna is optional if we require this. Now basically what drive testing is. Drive testing is the most common way of analyze cellular network performance. So it is a common way to analyze cellular network performance. It is a common way to analyze cellular network performance. Here in this, with the drive test, we can have coverage evaluation, we can have coverage evaluation, we can have system availability, coverage evaluation, system we can check, we can have network capacity, we can have network reliability or retainability, as well as we can check the call quality. So this is basically drive test is, through which we can have coverage evaluation, we can have system availability, network capacity, retainability, and quality. We can check the network of the network. Now here we have various modes of drive testing. Now modes of testing, we have dedicated, which is also known as continuous. Or we can say this is long call mode. So dedicated and continuous. Next we have idle mode. Third one we have sequential or short call mode. Sequential or short call mode, and then we have scanning mode, scan. So these are the 4 modes of drive test. Now let's start with the long call. In long call mode, we have to start and end covering all the route. That means we have to start from one end to another end and we require to cover all the route. In this, we have to check quality and coverage of network. Long call, we are checking quality and coverage. Now we have an idle mode. In idle mode, we are connected but no data connection. We are connected to the network but we don't have any data connection. That means we are receiving information from the BCCH only. BCCH, which is radiated from the network towards our cell, and we are receiving information, and we are in an idle mode. And then we have to check in an idle mode, we require to check whether it is able to register to the current location or not. That means whether current location is being registered to the network or not. That's why we have to do the idle mode to check registration, initial registration process. Short call is this for short duration, in which we have to check for a short duration of a time. Scan mode, in scan mode, it scans all the selected frequencies on a route. That means if I am on a route, So it has to check all the frequencies that are available in a route, and it has to find the best frequency to use in a cell. Interference like co-channel and adjacent channel. So this is about the different modes of a drive test. Now if we talk about what is the use of the drive test. Use of the drive test is majorly to check quality, so that we can check on or we can work on performance of the network. This is LTE drive test. Thank you so much.